All right, so we're here with Joey. Joey, you've got an awesome project. I was taking a look at this earlier, and it seems like it's just a solution for me, for my problem of sorting some of my electronics. Can you tell me a little bit about what you've got going on?
So this is the Gen 2 modular rail system. So it started from a really simple, back in 2019 when I started it, issue I had was trying to find storage that I could 3D print. I just needed a single drawer under my 3D printer. So I created something really basic, but ever since then, every year I keep adding and modifying this. It's a project that I try to keep backwards compatible with even that original drawer. So how the system works, it's basically you just print the drawer case and the drawer, and there's all these little mechanisms. Some are optional, like these magnets, that you can just slide your magnet in, and that will pull the drawer back in place. And then I'll show you this too on the table, but sometimes they're really in there. This is my quick lock mechanism, and it's printed with PETG, and that creates a springed mechanism that you just snap in there, and then that allows you to be able to slide that in. And the point of that is we can slide that into another, actually right here. I'm trying to find where I put that. Oh, right here. So when you take your drawer case, if you mount this under the table, this will slide in right like that, and it snaps right in.
Nice.
So you can take that same drawer. If you need to rearrange, add, any of that, you can repurpose this to be a tabletop unit, or just under any table, desk, workbench. But you can essentially slide that in. And then if you need to rearrange that, you can take that whole unit and move that to a totally different table, workbench, build it into a tabletop kit. So
yeah, I'm getting ready. One of the series coming up is Ultimate 3D Printer Workbench. So I've spent a lot of time building Vorons, and this would be perfect for underneath of it.
Yes, and like you were saying, if you had electronics and stuff, I have one of the newer things that I've done in the last year or two was the this is a decor drawer versus the original drawers that you had to print them all in one solid piece. This you can print in cheaper material, and then you can use your nice material to slide on a faceplate.
Let me take a look at that.
And what's cool about the faceplate is, like in your case where you're talking about electronics and stuff, I work in manufacturing, so one of the things that's important there is keeping track of inventory, like 5S, lean, all that stuff. I made it so you can swap labels around. Same thing. So then you can label each thing that's in there, and you can rearrange that quite quickly too. But even like I try to think of like for at home and other stuff, like if you want to use this on your computer desk and stuff, maybe you don't want that certain style, you can actually swap out the accent pieces and use like a textured build plate and do like carbon fiber. And then maybe that label, it's got a compliant mechanism in it as well. You can swap that out for another one as well. So
that's a fantastic project.
Thank you.
Where can people find you at?
So I have a website called Girari3D.com. That will link you, well, it's more like a catalog, but that will link you to printables, things, Maker World, and Cults 3D. And then I have instructions on there, videos. I'm adding more all the time. So yeah, there's a lot to it.
Awesome. Well, I'm going to personally look forward to printing some of this in the near future, and we'll let you know how it turns out.
Awesome. Well, thank you.